Welcome to part 31, CSS Variables. At the top of our CSS file, we have this declaration right here, and this is how you create variables in CSS. This is a topic that we did not cover in our HTML and CSS chapter, but it is presented here. So we have two variables. One is for the text color. So this is actually the name of the variable, --text--color and --tab--color. They're going to be assigned to these hexadecimal colors like this. So anytime we see --text--color, it will reference this particular value. So these text colors and tab colors, let's go switch over to our dashboard. I'll show you what they are. So the tab colors are just this background color of the tab that you see in the tabs. They're also over here in the cards. The text color is the text color for the tab. It's this like grayish bluish color right here, and you see it in the tabs as well. So it's the color when it's not chosen. When it is chosen, the color is just white. Okay, so those are the colors, and having variables makes it very easy to change all the colors at once. You don't have to go in there and change every instance where there is a particular color. You just can set it once at the top and then see how it looks for your entire application.